Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to add contact form to Canva website. Now here's what we are going to do. First things first, you're going to go ahead and create your own contact form, say this one for example, and here you are going to make sure that you don't collect the email. So you're going to go ahead and click the settings here, and then under the responses you have to make sure that you have set this one to do not collect. Now down here below, it actually requires sign in if you're going to limit this one-to-one response. So if you're going to enable this, it's also going to give you an error. So go ahead and disable this one, and then we're going to go ahead and scroll down here under the defaults. You have the form defaults. It says collect email addresses by default. Make sure that you have set this one to do not collect as well. And yep, once that is done, you're going to hit the send button here. You're going to click this, you're going to shorten the URL, and you're just going to simply copy it. Now we're going to head to Canva. Say this one for example is my design. I'm going to hit the apps down here, and then we're going to look for the embed app. So just go ahead and paste your link here, click add to design. And just like so, you are now able to add your contact form here on Canva. So go ahead and reposition this wherever you want, but basically that is how you are going to get this done, everybody.